Hey guys, welcome to the how-to channel. Today I have a very neat trick for you. I am going to show you how to clean this burnt up iron bottom. All that you need is just one item, and this one item is a dishwasher tablet. Take any kind of dishwasher tablet and remove the plastic wrapping around it. Now, before we can begin with this cleaning process, we need to do two things. If you have a steam iron, make sure to remove all water from your iron. We don't want the steam to come out from these little holes right here while we are working on it, right? And the second thing is we need to plug in our iron and make sure that this iron is preheated to the maximum temperature. Now, once your iron is hot and ready, take a dishwasher tablet and start scrubbing it against this iron bottom. After a couple of seconds, you will see that this cleaning process is very successful. The burnt out particles start to come off pretty easily. Just continue to rub this dishwasher tablet until you remove all burnt out area from the bottom of your iron. As you can see right here, all the hardcore particles are removed by this dishwasher tablet, but we still have to clean these holes from a dishwasher tablet, and we need to clean this black color from iron bottom. The rest of this iron I will clean by using a little bit of homemade apple vinegar. Just soak a clean sponge in your vinegar and rub it all around your iron bottom. As you can see, this apple vinegar works amazing. Now, in order to clean these small holes, just take a wooden stick, put a cloth on it and get in there. And after a little bit of work, this is the final product. As you can see, these holes are pretty clean now, and the iron bottom is also pretty clean. So the moral of the story is, if you have hard particles, use a dishwasher tablet, and if you have a black surface, just use apple vinegar if you have any laying around. That's it. I hope you have found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. And if you are interested in any more cleaning videos, check out these suggestions right here. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.